In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive mail in Asana. We'll cover two simple paths: connecting Gmail to a project so Asana can work with your inbox, and setting your personal email notifications so you reliably receive updates. Let's start by signing in. Head to the Asana login page and choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account and complete the sign-in. If you prefer another login method, that's fine too. Just make sure you land in the correct workspace and team so you're looking at the right projects. Once you're in, open the project where you want email functionality. In the top right, click Customize. This opens a panel with powerful options for tailoring your project. Choose the Apps section. Apps are how you connect services like Gmail to automate parts of your workflow. Click Add, then select Gmail rules. Now click Add to Project and follow the on-screen instructions to integrate. You may be asked to grant permissions so Asana can communicate with Gmail. Once connected, your project can use rule-based actions that interact with email, helping you convert communication into organized work and deliver the right messages to the right people without manual effort. If you're part of a larger organization, you might need the proper permissions to add apps, so check with your admin if you don't see the option. Next, let's make sure you actually receive the emails you want from Asana itself. Open your profile menu in the top bar and click Settings. Go to the Notifications tab. Here, find Email Notifications and choose the scenarios you want to be notified about by checking the boxes. This could include things like being assigned a task or getting updates on work you follow. Be thoughtful here. Selecting only the most important events keeps your inbox actionable and avoids noise. Finally, set your preferred notification email so Asana sends updates to the address you monitor most. This is essential if you use multiple accounts or forwarding rules. A quick recap: sign in, open your project, and use Customize, then Apps to add Gmail rules and follow the integration prompts. Then open your profile settings, go to Notifications, choose the email notifications you want, and set your preferred notification email. Take a minute to test. Create a sample task or trigger a small update to confirm you're receiving messages as expected. With these steps, you'll have a clean, dependable flow of email into and from Asana, aligned to your project and your personal preferences.